Hi everyone, and thanks for watching my video. I'm going to give you some information about the term water cannon salute. I know for some people this might come as a surprise, but looking at the definition of this term, and according to Wikipedia, I quote, "A water salute occurs for ceremonial purposes when a vehicle travels under plumes of water expelled by one or more firefighting vehicles." Now that sounds strange, but actually anyone who has an interest in aviation or people working in aviation are quite familiar with this term. If you're wondering what I'm talking about, then here it is. The water cannon salute, or just water salute, is an aviation practice that originated from the maritime industry. Back in the 20th century, when ships were launched on their maiden voyages, and sometimes upon their arrival at their first port, small fireboats would mark the occasion with an arc of water. Although there are no confirmed facts, but unverified information states that this practice found its way into aviation as late as the 1980s. Today, it's normal to see an airplane receive a water salute, whether it's the first flight of a new airline, flying to a new city, a new aircraft type, or even for the last flight of a retiring pilot. One such example that stands out was the water salute presented to the legendary Concord aircraft, which belonged to Air France, when it took off from New York's JFK airport on its last flight to Paris back in 2003. The picture you probably saw on the thumbnail of this video was taken by me at Dubai airport in 2002. This water salute was for the inaugural flight of the new airline, Swiss International, that was formed after the bankruptcy of Swissair, the first national airline of Switzerland. And by the way, I was part of the original Swissair from 1980 until 2002. I hope you enjoyed this video and found the information interesting. Before I leave, I have a question for you. Have you ever been on a flight that received the water cannon salute? Please let me know in the comments below. Until next time, goodbye.